The fourth step is the moisture movement. And this moisture movement, like I said earlier, it gives a silky feeling to the hair. So I'm only going to put maybe that much because this hair doesn't need that much conditioning. And I'm going to rub it in between my palms. And I'm just going to just distribute it evenly on the hair. And if I feel that the hair is a bit drier, then I can put more. You can rinse out the step 4, but I prefer to leave it in. Just wipe that silky stuff. Then I take my massage brush again and distribute the silky moisture movement all throughout the hair strand. Then, as I mentioned earlier, you just clean this hair, but you want to protect it again. And that's where this product comes into play for the first time as well as the last time. This is the protection shield. So we want to seal everything, all the agents that we applied, all the conditioner, all that revitalizing shampoo that wakes up the hair, cleans it. We want to seal that in again. And here I'm brushing the hair, and it's aligned all in one direction. I'm just going to put more. Now for wigs that you remove every day, you can wash your hair the average every 14 wearings. For hair extensions and hair pieces, you may want to wash it every 2 to 3 days. And if you do have a bonded method is glue or adhesive that's bonded directly on your scalp and in your natural hair. If you do have that, you're going to want, like let's say if this is where it's applied on your head, you're going to want to press it down again. You do not want to put your hair in a ponytail or try to move the hairpiece away from your hair with a headband, because if the hair is still wet, that means that the adhesive can move forward, or backward rather, I'm sorry. It can move backward. So if you're applying the tension, if you're, let's say, trying to put your hair in a ponytail, and look at this, it's going to go, right now it's here, but it can move further back. But if you continue to press on it for another 2 to 3 days and let that dry, let the glue or adhesive re-cure itself for another 2 to 3 days, then your hair enhancement, it will stay in that same place where your stylist last put it in. Okay, so this one I don't want to towel dry because I don't want to remove the protection shield spray that I sprayed. What you can do, if this is a clip-in hair extension or a wig, you can just lay it down on a flat towel. And make sure, like let's say, if you want the hair to remain curly, you may want to dry it curly. So you may want to take the pieces and just kind of style it to the way you want it to dry, and it will take on that shape. If you want to have it straight, then of course you're going to comb the hair straight. And dry it straight as so, just like that. You also may want to put maybe a towel underneath the piece so that way it will retain its curvature. So this right here has like a concave curvature. You may want to put a towel under here. And you may want that towel, you may want to make that towel into a small bowl, into a small ball, so that way your piece, your wigs can retain that nice curvature. So just think of treating and caring for your hair enhancements. Just think of it as you're caring for a delicate bra or a delicate lingerie. And that's the best way to see the hair pieces at, because these pieces are delicate. And like this material here, it almost looks like a pantyhose material. And with your pantyhose, you know how you wash it. You wash it really, you wash it by hand, and you wash it. You don't scrub it, or you just carefully dip it in the water and just kind of squeeze out the dirt and lay it flat to dry, so that way it won't stretch out. So the same way you treat your pantyhose, you're going to treat your hair enhancements. Another thing is that some people say that underneath, when they're wearing a semi-permanent hair enhancement, hairpiece or wig that is semi-permanently attached to their own hair and scalp, they notice that their scalp feels more itchy. That could be a result of an unhealthy scalp environment. How to obtain a healthier scalp environment while you're using hair pieces is hair vitamins. Let me get that for you. This product in particular is called the Hair Support Hair Vitamins. And what this does, when you take it orally, this will create that healthier scalp environment. And it will also strengthen your hair. It's also great not just for the hair, but also for the skin and the nails. So you're going to want to use this product while you're wearing semi-permanent hair enhancements. It will also strengthen your hair while you're using hair extensions, because we all know hair extensions, the weight of the extensions can put a lot of stress on our natural hair. So the best way to keep your hair stronger is to use this particular hair support vitamins. The ingredients are found in our website, store.cybermaine.com. And that's it for now. Have a great day.